As I was saying, speaking of heavy, this box is heavy right here. My son, who's a competitor in Olympic weightlifting, competed in several national trials or national championships. His goal was to do double his body weight with a squat, which is not one of the events that he competes in. That's not a Olympic weightlifting sport, but it's a powerlifting sport. But you do squats still, and he did double his body weight, which is it was 367 kilograms. He had it. I'm sorry, pounds. He had it in kilograms, but it's double his body weight. He's dropped down from about 240 to about 185, 190. But I need him out here to pick this stuff up. I'm gonna take this frame out because those two are in there pretty deep. I'm not gonna be able to get them out without tearing them up. So I'm shooting a lot of quick videos. I think I'm about to call it in the evening here. Dadgummit. There's things about beekeeping I hate, and like that kind of crap is one where you just tear up your stuff. Let me get this out of the way here. I've torn the top frame, the top bar on that end frame. See? Snowbird on here. Just put it right there. Alright, I'll have to just pound that in like that. Basically just leave it alone. I'm going to try to slide all this over. Break that seal. Break that seal. I'm going to go ahead and do this one. Break.